The first night is in Ennis. Then the group goes to visit the Cliffs of Moher the next day. It's hard to go to Ireland and not see the Cliffs of Moher, in my opinion. It's so beautiful. Then you'll backtrack down a bit down to Killarney, where you can see the little picture of the mountain, and that's like the McGillicuddy mountain range and the Killarney National Park. So top scenery in Ireland, really beautiful, and some fun things to do. When we go to Killarney, we like to stay at the Lake Hotel. I'm going to show you some pictures in a minute and you'll see the view and you'll see why I love that hotel. This time of year is amazing because the azaleas and the rhododendrons will be blooming. In Ireland, oh my gosh, in the UK in general, like they're bigger than houses. They're beautiful. Um, you'll see some Ring of Kerry views, listen to some music, do a jaunting car ride to the Gap of Dunlow. So Killarney is just a fun place to go for a few days. It really feels like the Ireland of your imagination. Then we're going to go to County Cork. So we're just going right across Ireland to the yellow pin is Cork City, but we're going to take the scenic route. So if you see that little fish on the map, that is where Sally Barnes is smoking fish. So she is smoking wild caught fish from that southern coast. She's a legend. She's amazing. She is so much of like what Ireland embodies of these artisan skills, passionate people, really connected to the land, doing something really beautiful and loving to share it. So we have a special, very special day planned with Sally where you'll get to forage with her and then have lunch enjoying her smoked fish and other like just hyper local food. That will be a highlight for everybody. Maybe not the highlight because next we'll go just probably, I think it's like an hour and a half from there to County Cork, where you see the little symbol of the hotel because that's Ballymaloe House Hotel, which I think might be heaven on earth.